everyone, it's Karen, and in this video you'll learn how to make up to $5,000 per month or more on YouTube uploading videos. You don't need to show your face, you don't need to talk to anybody, recruit anyone, sell anything, and you can make a lot of money doing this. I'm going to share with you a profitable niche, exactly how you can do this. I'm super excited to share this with you. I make money every single day through YouTube, and it's a great way to make residual income. So if you're excited about this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Make money online, and we're getting started right now. Okay, we're going to be talking about animation channels. A lot of money can be made with animation channels because it keeps people's attention. And I'm going to share with you some examples of some really good channels that you can take a look at, get some ideas of what you may create on your channel and how much money they make, because it's really inspiring to see how much money these channels make. So the first one we're going to take a look at is Infographic Show. This one has been around for a few years, but you can see on this channel they just have random things that they talk about, and it's all animated with a voiceover. So some examples are, why do these people think they are dead? That's interesting. Royal Family Secret Airport Suite Revealed. And you can see their thumbnails are very good here. They do have over 8 million subscribers. Let's take a look at how much money this channel makes approximately. Social Blade will tell you that they make approximately from $20,000 to $323,000. So these channels generally get about $3 per 1,000 views. So you can see that some of their videos do get over 1 million views, so you can do the math on that. Like this one, 1 million views. So these videos are making a lot of money with Google AdSense, where they place ads on their videos or in the middle of their videos and at the end. And then when people click on them, you make money from AdSense. So that's the first channel. The second channel is called Improvement Pill. This one is in the self-development niche. And they just talk about things that have to do with personal development. The secret to believing in yourself, the best recession-proof career, 4 skills you should learn during lockdown, things like that. It's all animated, just like the other channel, and it does have voiceover on it as well. Let's take a look at their Social Blade stats. They do get over 2 million views every month, and they make a little less, anywhere from 506. I think it's probably more on the high end, around 8,000 per month, maybe 5,000 to 8,000 per month, I would say, at least. And they have over 2 million subscribers. Then the next one is called Top Think. This is another really popular channel. And this also has to do somewhat about personal development. 7 reasons why introverts are the best. 10 signs you're smarter than average. You can see their thumbnails are really good here. That really makes you want to click on them. And they have over 1 million subscribers. You see that their videos get a lot of views. We'll take a look at their most popular video here, and they do have over 1 million subscribers. Their most popular video has over 7 million views, and that was a year ago. So this is a very popular channel. The next one is called Story Booth. And on this channel, they're sharing personal stories like, I didn't like who my dad really was. I never thought this would happen to my family. And that was just a personal story of what happened to their father, who's a police officer. And all of these, again, are animated, and they do have a lot of views on their videos. Let's take a look at their Social Blade stats. This is anywhere from $2,000 to $37,000 per month with Google AdSense, and they do get over 9 million views per month. So this is a really popular channel, and it's just real stories that they're telling about their life, and they're animating them. So the next one is My Story Animated. Let's see, My Story Animated. And that's what this channel looks like. And these are just interesting stories. I don't think that they're real, but some of them may be. The boy who never speaks told me something crushing. I kissed the wrong guy and woke up like this. So these are really interesting short stories in here. let's take a look at their Social Blade stats. They get over 68 million views every month, and they make anywhere from $17,000 to $272,000 per month. And let's take a look at their stats here. They get 370,000 subscribers a month. Next one is My Life, My Story. And this is very interesting what their videos are about here. Mom allowed me everything. I'm a special girl, my animated story. And these are really good thumbnails as well. In love with a disabled girl, my animated story. So let's take a look at their Social Blade stats. This channel gets over 6 million views every month and makes anywhere from 1.6 to 25,000 per month. I think it's more towards the high end, maybe like 15 to 20,000 a month at least. And they have 239,000 subscribers. So this is a really great channel to look at, just to get some inspiration of what you might do. And then the last one I want to share with you is called Wanna See. I think I spelled that wrong. And you can see they have over 1 million subscribers. They have horror stories on here. The horror story about a lot of these are scary stories here. And I'm not sure their Social Blade stats, if they make as much. Actually, they do. Over 13 million views every 30 days. And I would say it's more on the high end of anywhere from 3 to 53,000, because they do have over 1 million subscribers. So this is another great channel to take a look at to get some inspiration. If you guys are enjoying this information, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. That way you can learn more about YouTube marketing, affiliate marketing, and money manifestation. And also click the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Let's go ahead and talk about how would you create a animation channel. The first thing you would do is decide on a theme or a niche. There's different ideas that you can come up with, like short stories, scary stories. You can do the personal development niche. You could do spoofs and parodies, or you could do one that's just on comedy. I wouldn't recommend that you do animation for children because you won't make as much money with that, and there's a certain law with that you have to comply with. So I would say stay away from that. If you wanted to do animation, it could be more like towards the adult side. You don't want to do this for children. So those are just some ideas of what you might do. Then you do want to create a script. So you could go out there on Google and search scary stories or inspirational stories or things like that and just get some ideas. And things that you post on your channel, obviously they don't have to be real. And you can make up all these stories and create a script around that. Also, if you think, I just don't know that I could do that, you could go to Fiverr and outsource it. So if you just came over here and typed in something like scriptwriter for animated YouTube channel, you can see you can have it done for $5. I'll do a script writing for animated explainer and a YouTube video. I will animate your video, do a script writing. Whiteboard animation is another type of channel that you can do as well. But you may have to go through some script writers until you find somebody you really like. But basically you would just tell them what the topic you wanted, and then they can go out there and create a script for you. Now, I would say if you want to learn how to do this in great detail, there is a free masterclass that I have. It'll be the first link in the description below the video. And what you'll learn in that is a new way of going about YouTube that doesn't require you to record videos. You can outsource all of these if you like, or you can start yourself and then outsource, but also how to choose a niche and generate tons of videos quickly, how to take full advantage of the YouTube algorithm and grow super quickly, and that's really important. So I highly recommend that you take a look at this masterclass, and again, it'll be the first link in the description below the video. So the third thing we want to do is create a voiceover. Now you can do this yourself by using voice memo on your iPhone, and basically you'll just record it, send it to yourself on email, and then use it in your editor. And I know somebody who was still in high school and started a YouTube channel and just started with their iPhone doing voiceovers, and they were making $9,000 a month, more than their parents. So you can definitely start out small. And then again, you can outsource it in Fiverr. You can just go over to Fiverr and just type in there voiceover artist for YouTube. And you can see that they will not cost you very much, a little bit more than maybe the script writing. You can get one for $5. Most of them are $5. Some of them, of course, will be more than that, but that's a great place that you can go to get somebody to do voiceovers for your videos. And then, of course, you then create the animation. You can outsource it on Fiverr. If you go over there and you type 2D animation, there will be quite a few choices that are not that much, and you think, oh my gosh, I can't spend that much money. And you may not be able to in the beginning. You may work up to this, learn how to do it yourself first, but you can see they're as low as $20. But really, when you look at this, these are assets that you're building. As you start to make money, this is going to be something that will be a great investment, because if you can get this outsourced and you don't have to be that much a part of it, that's what you really want, is to get your time freedom and also be making a lot of money. Now, these are some software. Of course, there's a lot of animation software out there, but these are just 3 that I wanted to tell you about, that if you want to learn how to do it yourself, and there's plenty of videos out there to learn how to do animation. First one is Render Forest, and then you have Video Scribe and also Doodly. So again, you can teach yourself how to do that. The next thing you want to do is SEO optimize and upload to YouTube. So you want to use your keyword in the beginning of the title, 3 to 4 times in the description, and also in the tags. And you can use vidIQ to find keywords. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below the video that you can get vidIQ. You can use it for completely free. And of course, you can pay for it and you get more features. The lowest is like $7.50 a month, but it's definitely worth the money if you want to take full advantage of everything that it does as far as finding keywords for you. But if we look at, let's go back to this channel here. Let's say we were going to model after one of their videos about a horror story or something like that. If you wanted to model after this video, you could actually see their tags on how they're ranking. And this is not a good example because they're not even using any tags in their video. So let's look at, I think Improvement Pill would be a better one to look at, because they have a lot on personal development. So The Secret to Believing in Yourself. This would actually be a good video to create because it is in the personal development niche. So if you wanted to model after this video, you could scroll down here on the side and see what tags they use in their video and use all these same tags. So you just click on the paperclip here, that'll copy it, and then you paste that into your video and use the exact same tags. Okay, and then the next thing is you want to make sure you have click-worthy thumbnails. And I can't stress this enough, because you can have really bad thumbnails and no one will click on your videos, therefore no one will watch your videos, and you won't get to the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours and be able to apply for Google AdSense and make money when people click on your videos, on the ads in your videos. So let me show you. I think that Improvement Pill actually has some really good thumbnails. First thing is you don't want to have a lot of writing on it, because a lot of people watch videos on their mobile. And so let's take a look here just at the videos. It has to be not a lot of words, and it needs to be something that is very interesting, like somebody really wants to click on it. Like this one here, before and after. You really want to know what they're talking about before and after. The easy method, that's really good. So you can see a lot of their thumbnails are really good. Before and after, bad, good. They really get your attention, and it's kind of like that cliffhanger. that you have to know, when you're standing in line and you look at the tabloids and there's something on there that just catches your attention, it sparks your curiosity. You have to know what it's about. And so you pick it up and read it. And it's the same thing with thumbnails. You want to spark that curiosity so people will click on it and watch it. And of course you want to have a good video so people will watch it and continue to watch it and get your watch time up. But also you can outsource this on Fiverr. I outsource my thumbnails, and you can find a lot of people on Fiverr that will do it for $5 very inexpensively. And you can also do it for yourself for free on Canva, and that may not be as good as some that you outsource, but you can start that way. There's a software called Thumbnail Blaster. I did a review on that, and it's actually really easy to do. It's a one-time fee. It's either, I think it's $37, maybe $27. But I used it for a while, and then I realized I wasn't as good as I could outsource it. And so, but that's a good place for you to start. I'll leave a link in the description below the video to that review on the Thumbnail Blaster. It's really good software. So I also wanted to mention to you another way that you can make tons of money. Okay, so you can create the exact same videos in different languages on different channels. So you could create another channel, just like, let's say you own this channel, The Improvement Pill, and you have 2 million subscribers. You could start another channel in Spanish and upload or have someone translate all of these videos into Spanish and upload them onto another channel that's just exactly like this, except in another language. You could do it into 9 different languages, 9 different YouTube channels, and make 9 times the amount of money. That's just a clue for you that a lot of these channels are doing this, the animation channels, because obviously the animation is not going to change. The words would, because it'll be in a different language, but it's not that difficult because you already have the script. You have to get it in Spanish, but you already have the script, you already have the video, and then you just change it, you edit it into a different language. So I wanted to mention that to you because that is how a lot of people are making a lot of money, not only in English, but some of their channels are actually making more money in other languages. So I hope you take this information and go out there and make a lot of money on YouTube. And if you made it this far into the video, I can tell that you really want to change your life. And let's continue the learning with this next video, how to make $100 per day with no skills for free, and that's getting started right now.